Hey guys, we are going to do number box cruise. This only took me like 10 minutes to make for some reason. I was too lazy. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, Captain! I can hear. Is it about other disease? This thing's too slow. Let's speed it up. Okay. This is the fastest it can go. That was still pretty slow. I don't care. That's not. I see that. That's not our destination. See? Yep, that's not our destination at all. We're making a new destination. We're destroying the collision rays of these three objects. Nope. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How can I see an actual land? That's still not our destination. What? I thought that was. Well, if you thought that, you're stupid. This is our real destination. Hey, our boat ran out of fuel. Well, I got some fuel, so it'd be good to go. Well, to be good to go, we need to have a house. Is for the single digit numbers and the double digit numbers. So I'm gonna split the boat in 2 sections. Press O. Single digit numbers are on the left. On the right is the duo digit numbers. Oh gosh. Yo, I'm going here. Let's go to our section. Yeah. Let's go to our section, guys. Yeah, let's go. 35. Oh my God. 35? Let's go. Spit. There's still more to see. 2, 4, 5. Where's 5? Where the heck did 5 go? Oh, where did 5 go? Where's 5? He's down here. Ugh, stupid. Didn't know about you. Where's my skateboard? I think it's in the other section. I forgot where it went. Who is on my skateboard? Yo! 14, got your skateboard. Oh my god, I better go get it. Thank you. Is there any single digit numbers? What the heck? Is there any single digits? There's some numbers here. Doesn't look like it. 24 rectangle. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, Mom. Good.
Sure, everything was fine.
7, 8, 9.
I need some water.
That's good. Now we can continue growing.
I'll tell you what. Men will stare at a fucking piece of dog shit wrapped up with a pair of titties. Because, man, I can tell you how many of them were staring at me like I was a piece of fucking meat. And it makes me very uncomfortable. And then you have women that go in there and they yuck that shit up. And they wear shorts and a bra. Go ahead, sis, you look good. Like,
What are you doing? Hey,
I don't understand how you can feel comfortable working out with.
I'm comfortable working out with stupidness. Shoot, we have a lot of room. I wish we had friends. Well, he awesome friends. What the heck? Where did they go? Oh!
Shit, I left my cigs in the car.
Okay, now run smoothly. We still have a lot of room here. That's a lot. It's just 18 friends. Oh my gosh. Well, unfortunately, the steering wheel broke and it liquefied, so that means that we can't go anywhere. I can use the push. I can use the boost thingy. The boosting water. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, what is up with the killer plane? What? I thought that was our destination. Well, it's actually not. You said it 3 times already. See? For real? That way over there is our destination. Oh. eventually, the ship became a floating ship. We're floating. What's just happening? Whoa, what is happening to the ship? Why does this go so slow? Oh, yes, we're free now. Yeah. Oh God, what's happening with this? We are floating. We're in the magic ship called. Come on, kids. Yo, we're floating. Transform into an airplane. Whoa. Whoa. What is going on? We're going up. This is like the magic school bus. Well, it's not. Why is it stuck? Why is it stuck? Well, guess we swimming. Guess we can go swimming into the what the heck? Why is everybody floating? Oh, it's that city is still 0. Awkward. Let's get to the island. Yes, let's do it. We are here. Now everybody choose your rooms. I'm choosing this room, for instance. We can share rooms. Yo, we're gonna do a party. Erase all water. Which room should we equip? We should enter room. Enter room 36. Okay. Hey, sounds like a plan. Oh yeah, it's right there. Huh? Oh yes, one of your roommates, guys. Yes, yours. But we need a food supply. So no! Oh no! Where can we get a food supply? We got chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing. Bro, why is the size still 5? Bro. That is not a chicken wing. Because we will never because we did not add the bone. We gotta add the bone. Now I was sick, swimming in the ocean, calling out commotion, 'cause they are so awesome. Now, some pretty pretty like a Peter. I'm gonna keep it, face so hard. And then on the sea, and then it's like you're eating me. Yo! This is so cool. Ugh. I'm covered in chicken wing. Chicken wing. Why is it everything so dang heavy? Why is all the chicken wings so heavy? I can't even get out! Wait. Oh my god. Wait. I can eat the chicken wings now. Oh my god. Nom, 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 nom. We don't eat the bone. Yeah, you should have learned your lesson. Anyways, eat the weeds. 36. This time, avoid eating the bone like this. What the heck? Oh my gosh! Hold on, let me do that again. Now let's eat the chicken wing. With the bone. Eat the bone. What did you say, 46? 46 is dead. Did I say 4? Oh, don't eat the bone. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I told you. Ice or water. Cities all. What is this? Okay, let's destroy all this wing. Wow, what's that? Whoa, what is happening to me? I like how the chicken wing can talk. Ooh. god, how many pieces of a chicken wing are there? 1,656? Now imagine if we clone that. That would literally make this 3,312. Don't do it, guys. My iPad can't handle that much polygons. It can only handle like 10,000 or something. Well, Axel Dominoes can handle 19,000. How much do you think Algorithm's device can handle? Let me know in the comments. Oh my. What the heck just happened? Wait, what the what the flip? Everybody just turned white. Oh my god. Everybody just turned textureless. I'm sorry. I have to end the video.